Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to create a professional 3D character for your game using AI. First, open your browser and choose any AI chat source such as ChatGPT or Copilot. I am using ChatGPT for this tutorial. Before we begin, note that we are generating this character mainly for its clothing. If you already have a character in an A or T pose, you can skip this step. For those who do not have an A or T pose image, type the design for the character's clothes in a notepad or find a reference image. Today I am using a reference image of a character I found on Pinterest. It depends on where you source your image. Do not worry too much about the character itself. In this video we focus on the clothing. In another video I will show you how to change the character's face using Blender. Once you have your reference image, drag it into ChatGPT and include this line. I will provide this prompt in the description so you can use it. ChatGPT will then give you a prompt. Copy that prompt and paste it into the ChatGPT image generator tool. This will generate an image of the character. In my case, I got the image on the first attempt. If it does not work for you, regenerate it until you get the image you want. Remember, we want a full body image that shows the character from head to toe. After obtaining the image, download it and search for Rodin AI. Log into Rodin AI and then drag or upload the downloaded image. Click on Generate to see a preview model. Then click Generate again once the preview appears. After the generation is complete, the next step is material generation. Click Generate one more time and then download the result. Your 3D model is now ready. In the next video, I will show you how to change the head of this character and import it into Unreal Engine 5. Please note that this video is not sponsored by anyone. Do not forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Patreon and social media.